Hi, welcome back. I'm Claudia from Miss Olivia Rose Crafts, and today we're going to be making this fun little craft for my kids, and I thought I'd take you along on how I assemble it. I homeschool my 5-year-old, and this week we're learning about reindeer, and I thought this would just be so funny and cute to leave by his desk. We're going to start off by building our treat box, and this is meant to be a door hanger treat box. You see the hole cut out. That is meant to slide into the doorknob and leave it as a tree as they get up in the morning. Or I also have an option to leave it solid, and you can just put it on a table or by their desk, or maybe make some for their classmates. This file is available on my website, which I will leave the link in the description below. This treat box is really easy to make. All you need is a little bit of craft glue. I'm using my Barely Art glue, and I'm using about 80-pound to 100-pound cardstock. I want this box to be sturdy. We are going to put chocolate inside, so it is going to weigh it down. So the heavier the paper, the sturdier the box will be. This digital paper is from Creative Fabrica, and if you're not subscribed to Creative Fabrica, it's a great website to subscribe to. They have thousands of fonts, images, SVGs, PNGs, and even offer classes. I will go ahead and leave the link to Creative Fabrica in the description box below for you to check out. All of the other images like the reindeer and the wreath are from Design Space. And what I really love about this treat box is that you can just pull it out any season, any holiday, and customize it. You can really get creative. The last one that I made was a Halloween one for my kids. I surprised them with little boo boxes and added some treats in there, and it was a lot of fun. So this is a very versatile file that you can just change around and customize. And even though this is for my kids, I don't hold out on the beautiful cardstock. I love textured cardstock, sequence cardstock, glitter cardstock. And a lot of this cardstock that I'm using is from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. They have the most beautiful textured paper that I can't find at Hobby Lobby, Joann's, or Michael's. And so it's really nice to be able to go online and just shop around. That red foil on the bow is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with that paper. And lastly, I used my Cricut pen to write reindeer poop on the flag, and I used these little cute cupcake toppers from Hobby Lobby with the little pom-poms on the top. And that's it. This probably took maybe 15 minutes to put together, super easy, and they were so excited once they saw their little treat boxes. Thanks for watching and making this adorable little craft with me. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.